Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Long time no see, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do this makeup look. This is just like my everyday if I feel like doing some eyeshadow, a little something. Okay, this is very soft glam, not too much, not too little. Okay, it's right in between. And today I'm using my lashes that I will be coming out very soon with. These are in the style Alyssa. So sorry I'm looking over here at the pacifier type of thing. I do not feel like using the other one. It's just like too much. Like I want to see what I'm doing, how the fuck I be looking. Okay, we don't want to look all motherfucking crazy and shit. All right, you heard me. Look at my hands. Hard fucking work. All right, hard fucking work. See this makeup. I just dropped my motherfucking candle. Fuck. But yeah, if you guys wanna. Can't fucking talk. If y'all fucking want to watch this shit, how the fuck I be doing this, just keep on watching, alright? Yeah. So to prep my skin, I'm gonna be using the Skinceuticals Daily Moisturizer. This shit, $60 motherfucking dollars, bitch. So, but you know what? You gonna look glowing as hell. Now I'm gonna be taking my damp ass beauty blender. We're gonna be using the Peach Foundation. This shit is bomb as fuck. This is one of my favorite foundations, and I always go back to it, okay? Just like my exes come to me, sweetheart. So now we're just blending. Then we're gonna take my Tarte concealer, and this bitch is light, okay? I like my under eye to look light as fuck. Do not judge me, bitch. So for the bridge of my nose, I like to be super careful and make sure that shit is blended straight. Because if you do not blend it straight, bitch, you're gonna look like you got fucking punched in the nose, okay? Your shit finna look crooked. So, yeah, you better take your time, hunty, and make sure all of that shit blended good. Right here, I'm just putting foundation on where there's creases, cracks, crevices of my ass, okay? We just want to make sure that everything is blended. Now we're gonna go in with the Airspun, and we're just gonna bake that shit, okay? Put the powder on. I know you El Paso bitches know how to do that, okay? Y'all know how to do powder and shit. So, you know, you wanna set your motherfucking face real good, because if you don't set it properly, your fucking bronzer, contour, whatever the fuck is gonna look muddy as fuck, okay? So just set that shit in place like it is. Now taking these motherfucking dirty ass brushes, dirtier than what my fucking ex did to me, and this bronzer, we're gonna make the cheeseburgers disappear from your motherfucking face, okay? All of those cheeseburgers that you fucking ate while you were drunk as fuck, 3 a.m. after the club, don't fucking matter with this step, okay? We're even gonna be fucking taking out our motherfucking double chin. We're gonna blend down, okay? That makes it look a little more sharper. Now you're gonna pop out with the dick-sucking face, and you gonna contour to the gods. Keep in mind that not every face shape's the same, so maybe the way I contour my face might not work for you, but I can make a video on contouring and all of that stuff. Just let me know if you guys want to watch that, because I think it's super important to know your face shape and how to contour it, because you might look goofy, okay? You might look goofy. I just want to help a sister out. So now I'm taking the Airspun again, and I am baking underneath my contour. And while that is baking, we're going to take this red blush. We're going to pop it in our cheeks. I like to just go ham with my blush. I even like to bring it up my nose because it gives it a cute effect. I look like a doll. Ooh! Now I'm going to be contouring my nose. I'm not going to go too much into depth because I might just do a contouring video like I said. But you know what? I like to look like I can't breathe, okay? Like I can't fucking breathe and I can't smell none of you fishy ass hoes. Like I said, I like everything harsh. So we're going to have to blend that shit, okay? Now we're going to wipe off that dust. Like you gotta wipe your motherfucking tears when you hella drunk and you in your feelings. And now we're gonna apply more blush because that powder, you know, that powder washed me the fuck out. I'm gonna be taking my Ofra highlighting palette and I'm taking this shade right there. And I am going to be highlighting my nose only. I really, for some reason, do not like highlight all over my cheeks. I'm gonna be taking my Morphe setting spray and we are gonna set my face. Boom, boom, boom. Then I'm going to let that shit dry and I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. pomade and a little angle brush. Not going to get too much into detail about how I do my eyebrows because it's something that I hate to do when it comes to makeup. It's just annoying. Now I'm going back in with my foundation and I'm going to be cleaning out my brows just to make sure everything looks nice and neat. I'm also going to be priming my eyes for the eyeshadow with the foundation. I just think it's much quicker than using an eyeshadow primer or going in with your concealer. And I don't know why the fuck I said primer like that, but bitch, you do what you gotta do. Now I'm going to be setting that primer or whatever the fuck with a white eyeshadow. It could be whatever white eyeshadow. And then I'm going to be taking my soft glam palette. I'm taking those two colors. That's all we're working with today. And then I'm going to be putting the lightest shade all over my crease. And I'm just building that up until I get the desired look. Blending is key to a good eye look. So I just like to over fucking blend. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'll be taking the shade that I showed you guys earlier. It's a little more of a darker, warmer brown. And I'm just putting that all over my outer corner. And again, we're going to be blending and blending and blending. This soft glam type of shit requires lots of blending. That's the key of getting a really nice, soft look. Now we're gonna be fucking cutting that crease. Like you gon' fucking cut the bitch that's trying to fucking text your mans, okay? We gon' cut that bitch up in the pieces. I'm just playing, we're not, but now going in with that white that we used earlier, we want to set the concealer. We are also going to be dipping back into that darker brown and we're just going to build it up a little more. We want to make sure we go light-handed and we go little by little. Therefore, it won't be super, super harsh or dramatic. We're going to be brightening up our eyes, inner corners with the highlight we used earlier. You're gonna whip out your motherfucking curler and your motherfucking lash. Motherfucking, I forgot the name, bitch. What the fuck's it called? Mascara. Mascara. We're gonna whip out the fucking mascara. Put that shit on. We don't have to put too much because we're gonna put false lashes right now. But anyways, I forgot the motherfucking eyeshadow on the lower eye because that shit look empty as fuck if you don't put no color in there. And then just finishing up the lower mascara. Now it's time for fucking lashes and eyeliner. today we're going to be using my lashes in the style Alyssa. These are super cute, super flirty, dramatic, yet natural. I love them. Right here, I'm just doing my eyeliner, making sure everything's sharp, the same, even. And if it's not fucking even, the lashes are gonna save us. So don't be fucking faced, okay? If one is bigger than the other, no one's gonna fucking notice, bitch, because you popping up my lashes. And the lashes are cute, so they'll fucking drag the motherfucking attention out of your motherfucking ugly ass eyeliner, okay? Now we're just popping the lashes on, girl. Look at that fucking fleeky ass. That's a whole new woman, bitch. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Those are the Alyssas. Ooh, cute, bitch. Not least is the lip gloss. My lip gloss be cool. My lip gloss be popping. Okay, bitch? And that's the completed look. Now, congratulations. You look like a bad bitch. And you've done the fucking soft glam look, okay? Everything will be listed down below, as well as my social medias. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.